Hey everyone, I got some awesome news about Xiaomi new foldable phone. Let's dive right in. Xiaomi is not just making a flip style foldable phones but also a book style foldable phone called the Mix Fold 4. We got some key details and possible launch dates. The Mix Fold 4 will have an impressive camera setup, a 50MP primary camera, a periscope sensor with 5x optical zoom, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 60MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. This could be a best camera setup on a foldable phone. The Mix Fold 4 will come with 5000 mAh battery that's bigger than Galaxy Z Fold 5. It will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is super powerful and found in top smartphone. The Mix Fold 4 is rumored to be one of the slimmest foldable phones, maybe even thinner than Huawei Mate X3. Xiaomi usually launches its foldable phones in August, but a tipster say the Mix Fold 4 could launch in early of July, so it's almost here. Stay tuned for more update as we get closer to the official launch. Share your thoughts in comments below and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.